career day right here at the Steer Town Primary and Junior High. You guys enjoyed how the bike feel?
Yes!
We have a troublemaker, so. We soon start the card over there, so. We soon start it.
876 Streets is powered by
turbocharged car is because it has a turbo, which is right here. Right, yes, its engine, the engine is hot, so don't touch anywhere. And this engine in particular is called a K24 engine. All right. If we look over this side, come on over to this car now. I just show you the turbo on this car. Does this car, do you see a turbo on this car? Anybody can tell me?
No, sir.
You don't see a turbo on it?
Oh, yes, sir. See that? Yes,
Where?
sir.
Where?
Over there. Over there.
What, this one? That?
Yes.
No, that's not a turbo. Actually, that's an intake pipe that takes air to the engine. So this is a non-turbocharged vehicle. This is a turbocharged vehicle. All right, but both of them, although this does not have a turbo, it still is a pretty fast car. All right. So not because there's no turbo, it means it's not fast. All right. Now we are going to look at this bike over here. So how you guys know that it's a BMW? Oh, you saw the signs? And the design? Okay, well, here's a fun one. Alright, so listen up, guys. So this ATV was custom made right here in Jamaica. Did you know that?
No, sir.
Right. So the person who made this bike is right here among us today. No, not me. Him? All right. So Mr. Murdoch built this bike in his garage at home. All right, and I say that to tell you guys that once you are dedicated, if you're interested in anything, you can do it. All right, you just need to apply yourself, study, get enough information so that you can one day make something like this or even better. All right. So that's just a quick rundown of the three cars. You guys have any questions at all? Yep. Yes. All right.
Why do they have? Why do they have color?
Have?
Why do they have the color on the dairy?
Or the color like on the engine?
Yes.
That is what we just, you know, when you're going out and you put on your cologne and your deodorant, that is just to pretty up and look more or be more attractive.
But what is it look like?
No, because that paint is not going in the engine. It's just on the top of the engine. You're not trusting with the car? Alright, so, but before we wrap, yes? You want to drive this one?
Yes,
okay. Alright, so there's a police car over there which we might want to see your license and anybody have any license? So you can't drive without license?
You drive on
But we have soup here, not soup. Where's the soup? You're going to get them a blind?
You make a fake.
All right. So guys, so before we wrap up, I just want to let you guys know that have you guys attention? Yes. All right. Motor racing, it is fun, and you enjoy. It's a very fun hobby, right? But you have to be careful, right? If you watch news, you'll hear about a lot of accidents happening because
they're driving too fast.
there's an accident going to the airport. All right,
Because they're driving too fast.
Sorry?
Because they're driving
Because they're driving too fast. Right, so there are many factors that causes an accident, right? But sometimes if we drive a bit slow, not because the cars are fast, means we're going to drive them fast, right? If we drive a bit slow, that we can be more alert, like for example, you're driving on the road and someone runs across the road, you're able to brake up and maneuver the vehicle in a safe way. Alright, so we just want to encourage everybody, when you guys get old and start driving, you can race at the racetrack.
racetrack, like some accident happened.
Yes, but here's the thing about the racetrack when there's an accident. You have an ambulance there, right on spot, that can render some assistance.
You know, trust me. You know, trust people. No.
So who you trust? Who? You know? But yes, guys. I mean, that's a quick run through of all the vehicles we have here. I think yes, Steve?
Can I take a pic on the bike?
Sure. I mean, you guys want to take a picture? Good morning again, everybody. My name is Kennedy. I'm the owner of 8th Street, which some of you may have seen on vehicles, mainly modified vehicles. 8th Street is an automotive brand in Jamaica. Right? So we are about racing. It's me on YouTube, yeah? Is there anybody me see I get trouble, I go come stand up here so beside me. So if you don't want to come up here so beside me. Alright. So let him teach the class. Alright, so me and Tyrone, I go demonstrate. Alright? Now, as I said, racing is fun. Racing is just like your favorite sport. Right? However, just like everything else, it's very, very dangerous and it is very expensive. I won't stand here today and tell you that it's not. That is cheap, very expensive, and because as a result, you have to make sure you work very hard so that you can, if these are things that you aspire in the future to have fun, you can afford it. You understand? Now, we have 3 vehicles here today. We'll start with this one. Anybody know what this? It's a quad. All right. Now, here's a fun fact about this quad. It was not bought from BMW in Europe. It was built right here in Jamaica. Right? And the builder of this bike is Mr. Kenny Murdoch.
I'm Kenny.
Right here. Yes, it was built in his garage. All modification done by him. Right? Now, we're going to go by real fast because we have another group coming and rain is coming. We have this vehicle here now. You can put your attention to this car here. Let me step back a little. This is a Honda Integra, right? And it has a B series engine. Now, different vehicles come with different engines. Right? Right. Markets come with V6. Right. Now, do you guys know what a turbocharger is? Yes. What it is? The green thing, this? Okay. All right. So this car is not turbocharged. There's no turbo on this car. All right. What you're seeing here is the intake system. It takes air to the engine, which helps it to produce more power. Right? The muffler, the exhaust. Right, the same thing we call muffler, the exhaust pipe. Now, can anybody identify anything else on this car other than, yeah? Go on, Tyro, show me something. The fan, all right, good. A radiator fan. Anybody else? Ladies, I'm not hearing anything from the ladies, from the females. Right here, the overflow bottle. All right, so all right, let's move over to the next vehicle. Is there anybody who wants to be a race car driver in the future?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Oh, and what's your name? Mr. Driver?
Nurse.
Race car driver?
No.
What's your name? Cameron?
Yeah,
all right. All right. So this car is equipped with a turbocharger. Can anybody show? Very good. So for those who don't know, this round red thing over there, right, is the turbocharger. Right? Now, anything else you guys can identify on this car? Yes. Good. Right, but because this is a left-hand drive vehicle, the battery is on the opposite side. So that's a good observation. What's her name? Daniel? Alright, so good observation. I'm not hearing anything from the females though. No lady don't want to drive or own a car. No. You alright. So alright, step aside a little bit. So some of the females. Alright, so yeah man, we're going to let you rip some of them shots. Yeah man, but you want to everybody, once it's possible, everybody will get a little try. Yes, this is a front wheel drive car. Alright. Now just to kind of wrap up though, we are stressing on road safety. When you guys get older and start to drive, we want everybody to be very safe on the roads. Right? There are racetracks in Jamaica that you guys can go to race safely, and that's what we encourage. So although these cars are fast and they race, but we do so in a safe, we're encouraging you to do so in a safe way. Alright guys? Alright, so any question before we wrap up? Tyrone, you soon get to ready. Any other question other than revving?
Driving now.
You guys enjoyed how the bike feel?
Yes! Everyone driving. One as long as we don't crash, as long as we trust.
No man, you're not going to crash. You're not going to crash.
Creation is coming alive. Keep my mind from work. Need to go chill by a fire. Drink some martini and talk about life. Ooh, doing my best to survive. But I need more. Mommy, I wish I could fly. Back and beg and go. I really, really don't mind. Living right now, so about to get on that plane soon. Don't care if it's to Mumbai or Cancun. As long as I'm high as a kite, hey. Yeah, I'll be good.
Huh?
Sir,
No, we soon start the card over there, so.
yeah,
We soon start it.
this is
Yeah, man, soon. Oh, you want the quad?
Sun on my face. That's the way to go. I like this woman great.
Nothing.
Can I stay for long? So many things I would try. So many rivers I just wanna dive. Ooh, doing my best to survive. But I need
It's 76 Street, so we just wrapped up another career day right here at the Steer Town Primary and Junior High. We have a troublemaker here, so yeah man, but it's a good vibe. We're about to leave now. I have to say big up to Mojo, I have to big up Rajin, Kenito.
Everybody know about the EX76?
Alright, so that's how we wrap up. That's how we sign out, alright? Yo, now I've nothing to say before we wrap up. Alright, that is it. Alright, we're signing out. One love.
Sir, so the dream, sir, when one have one race car up here, then fully in it, all our friends them come in school with the car them, and then park up and I bar run and then see all the girls them run go and take pictures on the car, and then they start clap to you and they will do a race. That's my dream.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.